All right, we're gonna start by bleaching then. No color remover because she's all natural, which is a very rare moment. So we are always very pleased when we get to go straight into it. Yeah, no box dye.
I've learned my lesson when I was in high school, so I'm good.
With bleach, because I do it so much, I like to go back, if they're a new client, to kind of like reference one of my clients that has a similar tone. And this kind of helps me get the idea of what strength, volume, bleach to mix up for them. So what I'm doing is with another brunette that I've done a really nice blonde, I'm matching up to her part. And this will give me an idea to create a new formula for Giselle. So this is the lifting powder, 9 levels up, the Blonde Me Schwarzkopf. I love this bleach for the reason that when you do bleach, it doesn't really feel like it's been bleached. It feels like it's also healing the hair at the same time. So you get a nice sleek shine when you shampoo it. You can notice the difference. This is the 20 to 20 volume developer. And I'm mixing a 25, so I go 20 and 30. This helps on the mid shaft because bleach is heat activated. So on the mid shaft to ends, it's so far away from the scalp that you need to create the heat with the foil and the strength of the volume of your developer and of your bleach. And I also use the Virtue Alpha Keratin. This makes sure that the hair is also being filled and healed as I'm going along too. Let's go. It's moving pretty nicely. I feel like because she's all natural, we can just kind of cruise along and then check when we get 3/4 of the way. With dark hair, you have a little bit more time to make adjustments with your bleach because we just know it's gonna take a little bit to lighten. With blonde hair, it's another story. You kind of have to start really low and then watch it. Been on an hour and 4, so that means we're on the top. We'll kind of have an idea where it's gonna go in an hour. In 30 more minutes, this should be caught up. We're making some minor adjustments to the bleach. We bumped it up for a section. It just expanded too much. And then when it expands, it turns into liquid and then it stops processing. And that was by bumping it up like 3 volume. So we're dropping it back down so it still stays at a nice consistency when it's in the foil.
I do like her.
You know?
Yeah.
You can do some of that and maybe put another color in the bang.
Like another warm tone?
Mm-hmm. This is the bottom.
And a gradient.
To the top.
And then the top is the red.
There's the red, some orange and the bangs.
Yeah, I like that.
Cool?
Yeah, love that. Yeah, I'm excited.
And also, so I'm just gonna weave the color in because we're gonna try to keep as much blonde as possible.
I love it so much. I don't recognize myself at all.